guy looking for the perfect lover, the kind of love you only see in an hour. I wasn't waiting for some shiny unicorn. I've nothing, have her rolling and you don't, but get through, and we'll sing hallelujah. But what is that to you right now? But let's talk in a way that can give us some faith to go round. We'll hold tight as we can when it's better again. The last breath of summer is blowing down our necks, and soon we'll wave goodbye to the fleeting bliss. Because you are like a tidal wave, was ripping up my life and living without a trace. And you know that I'm your silent patient. You know I'm your silent patient. I've been waiting this long out for your hands to hold me up. I've been holding on through the winter for your kiss to wake me up. Now with the colors of spring, my heart will blossom up again. The spirit in her heart, and with your smile, it will erupt. And I collect all I can, set aside all the supplies. Your kisses and